Yeah. And Uncle Dave?
Yeah. Oh, no.
What did you get? Ariel Pez. What did you get? Who is it, Grace? Show me. Pet. Oh, oh, that's so cute. Thank you. Okay, next present. What is it? I want that.
Who's that? What do you have?
Ariel.
That is really cool.
Oh, that's nice, Mia. What do you say to Aunt Lara?
Thank you.
Okay, open your next one. Oh, look at that.
That's really sweet.
What do you do with that?
Thank you, Look, a pony.
Oh, do you like your ponies, Mimi? Can you tell Aunt Lara thank you?
Thank you.
Look right here in the camera. I'm going to send her this movie. Say thank you, Aunt Lara.
Thank you, Aunt Lara.
What's that?
Aww.
Oh, it's a nightgown.
Thank you, Aunt Lara.
What is on there? Flowers?
Sleeping Beauty. Thank you, Aunt Lara.
What's yours, Mia? Oh, look at that.
Exactly what the bottom is.
Who's that? What's on yours? Is it Tinkerbell, maybe? It is. Look at Tinkerbell. See the Tinkerbell? So
Isn't that pretty? You like those?
Not right now. You can wear it to bed tonight.
Very nice.
It's okay.
Okay, look at here and say thank you, Aunt Lara, and wave.
Thank you, Lara.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Thank you, Uncle Dave.
Thank you, Uncle Dave. I love you.